And that's because when we derive u, we can see that the only thing that's going to be left is 2. So d of u will be equal to 2 times du. Okay? Or, sorry, dx. So we can see that 2 dx is part of our equation. That will be our du. So if we rewrite that, we'll end up with the integral of u to the third. See that we have u here to the power of 3 times 2 dx, which is also du. Now, this is a much simpler form than what we have over here, which is a lot easier to derive or integrate. So, going down, u to the third, the integral of u to the third du will be u to the 3 plus 1 over, 3 plus 1. That'll be equal to, sorry, forgot C. That'll be equal to u. Now, when we derive u, we will end up with du is just equal to, this will be 1 times dx. So now we have pretty much all our parts. We have x, we have this function over here as u, and we have dx, which is du. Okay, so now we plug all of that stuff in. We're going to end up with u minus 1 over the square root of u times du. Right? We can take that and separate it into two expressions. So we will end up with u over the square root of u minus 1 over the square root of u. And that's all times du. Now, if we look at this, this is just u to the power of 1 over u to the power of 1/2. And if we take that, we can say that that's equal to u to the power of 1/2. Okay. Since that's u to the power of 1/2, and that's 1 over the square root of u, we can also say that that is square root, or that is u to the power of negative 1/2. Okay, so now when we rewrite that, we will have u to the power of 1/2 minus u to the power of negative 1/2, and that's all multiplied to du. Next, we have, what we can do is use the rule for polynomials, for integrating polynomials, which is x to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1. So when we apply that for these two, what will happen is we will end up with x, which is our u, right here. Our n is 1/2 plus 1. 1/2 plus 1 is 3/2. And this is n plus 1. Our n is 1/2 plus 1. Again, 3/2. So we will end up with over 3/2, which is also equal to multiplying u by 2/3. So this will be 2 over 3 times u. And then our u to the negative 1/2, we can take that and do the same thing. U to the negative 1/2 will be u to the negative 1/2 plus 1 is u to the 1/2. And negative 1/2 plus 1 again is 1/2, which will be the reciprocal of 1/2, which is 2, and plus c. So this is not our final answer. We still have to substitute u back in. And remember, our u is here. U is equal to x plus 1 So we'll add u back in. Get u is equal to x plus 1. So we'll end up with 2/3 x plus 1 to the power of 3/2 minus 2 times x plus 1 to the 1/2 plus c. We can further simplify this by putting 2/3, and this will be x plus 1, and that's all to the power of 3 minus 2 to the square root of x plus 1 plus c. And that's our final answer.